watching to the end of the video to understand everything that I'm trying to explain. Alright guys, and so in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can get Robux for free legally. And this is for PC only, so if you have a mobile device, I already have to tell you to like get off the video. So I do want to tell y'all there's a way you can get Robux, because y'all don't like working for it, y'all don't like asking your parents money, or you might as well just steal their credit card at the same time. There's a way you can get it for free. What you need though is a Windows 10 device. You see, you already know where I'm going with it. A Microsoft account, and yeah, a PC basically. Yeah, so the application we are going to be using is Microsoft Rewards. But wait, stay tuned, because I'm gonna tell y'all a trick on how you can boost or get points faster to gain this amount of money. I did a lot of calculations in this video, so you better watch all the way through. So I'm gonna show y'all a trick on how I get more points in one day, and and the calculations of what this actually benefits you in. Let me just get started. So you can use any browser source. You can use FireFox, Opera GX. Obviously you can use Microsoft Edge. You need to use the search engine Bing. I know no one likes using Bing. I know it's like Google's better. This is the only way we can get the reward. And obviously guys, as you guys see, I have over 2,000 points. I recently just spent them though. There's a way you can actually cheat the system, and I use it all the time. So yeah, you need a Chrome extension and a Firefox extension as well. This is also allowed on Firefox. Now this is legal because this doesn't benefit any cheating type of way. I guess it's technically cheating, but it benefits Microsoft and us at the same time. So when Microsoft Bing is your search engine, we're gonna go to Chrome Web Store, and yes, Microsoft Edge allows you to use Chrome extensions. So yeah, you can now add extensions from Chrome Web Stores to Microsoft Edge. Basically, one thing you do need to add is something called ABS. I'll put the link in the description down below where you can find this. This will work on Chrome. No, you cannot install Chrome extensions on Firefox, but Firefox already has this, and I'm gonna show you guys a clip at the end as well. So something called ABS, and if it looks like this, you got it right. Basically, ABS is like an automatic Bing points system. Basically what you can do is you can, if you have nothing to search about, so let's say we're at this, right, we're at this, and you have nothing to search about, you're just typing random numbers like this, and you don't got time for that. You have to absolutely have no time for that. Basically, you click on this extension here once you install it, and then you click on start searching. Then you just let the thing go, and it searches up random things, and it still counts as your points basically. So you don't gotta type. You can go do some chores while this is happening. I'm not getting nothing because my points are full. I already did my daily set, and we got the daily set. Like some of these I don't know the answers to. Basically, you click on, let's say this, open reward task, and what that does is it opens this and it automatically answers for you. That's why it says auto click UI elements, easy quiz and options. I know the Roblox thing is no more here. It's gone. They took it away because of the high traffic and people were botting it. Yes, but you can still use this. All right, so basically what you do need is you need to go to the Microsoft Store, and then after you go to Windows 10, you see the top free games. It's probably like right there in your face, and then you install it. I know guys, you have to use the Microsoft Windows 10 edition of Roblox, even though the web version is better. This hey, you're getting free Robux. What can beat that? For $1.25, which if you're on level 2, oh yeah, I should remind myself. So level 2 people, y'all won't see 150, 20, or 100 whatsoever, because you're on level 1. So you basically earn 55 points a day. That's not gonna work with what I have here, so you better start earning up to level 2. The easiest way to earn up to level 2 is actually using my method right here. So if you use ABS for like 2 days, I think you will get to level 2 very, very fast. You have to earn like this amount of points in 1 month to get to level 2, and you have to stay in level 2 basically. So you have to earn points and earn points to stay level 2. Level 2 people get discounts, level 1s don't. What we're reaching for here is the $5. The reason why I say $5 is because you can probably just get premium using Roblox. And if you go here to Roblox, this looks like you're gonna purchase it on mobile. What we're trying to reach for is $5, and $5 here is literally premium. There's a way you can just continue with premium. Let's say I have 0 points on that thing right now, but I'm at level 2. Is if I use my method right here, ABS, every single day, I basically get 270 points, earning this plus this. So this will be 250 plus 20 will be 170. Also, if you do the daily set, now the daily set gets you a bonus point every 3 days. If I open up my calculator here, because I'm gonna need to calculate all this I'm saying right now, there are 4 weeks in 1 month, and if we purchase the $5 thing, that's 4,650 points. If we do our method every single day, 170 times 21, which is 3 weeks. 21 is 3 weeks. Remember your math, kids. 7 times 3 is 21. If you enter that, you get 5,670 points, which is enough already, plus the bonus points. So if you do your daily set, as you guys can see, I have 1 day to go before unlocking my 45 points. If I do this next day, I unlock my 45 points. So if I continue to keep doing my streaks from starting from 0, all right, so in 3 weeks I would earn 270 points just alone from the bonus points in 3 weeks. So let's add 270 with the weeks. You basically earn 5,940 points in 3 weeks, starting from 0 on level 2. And that will make sure you have enough for $5. And if you do have tax, this does not include tax, y'all. So basically, doing this calculation every single day. If you miss a day, you already messed up the calculations. No, that's not my fault. That's your inconsistency. Using this method every single day, doing your daily sets every day, and just doing this ABS every day, you will be able to get membership for free, y'all. I'm telling you this, you don't have to pay for any. Well, you do have to pay for membership, but you're gonna get it for free using this method, Microsoft Rewards, I guess. So you click on this, and then obviously you're gonna get subscribed to, and then you get paid every single month. But before that month hit, you already reached 5,000, and the thing only costs 4,000 something. Make sure you have an email, y'all, because it's gonna go to your email, meaning it's gonna go to your account. So make sure your account is also in Microsoft Store connected to your Roblox. So this is my account, right? Verified. Make sure the points that you're getting is on your account, verified. And yeah, for those who still didn't understand what I was trying to say, I'm going to use my dad's laptop for represent. So basically what I did is I installed FireFox to make sure a better example. So basically, to install ABS on FireFox, you got to go to add-ons. After you go to add-ons, you type in ABS, and then you'll find it there. Now, after you do that, you do have to go to settings. Then when you go to settings, you do got to go to search. I forgot what it's called. And then you got to make sure that your search engine is selected on Bing. Now, before you do anything, make sure you are signed into your Outlook account or your Bing account, your Microsoft account. And yeah, and then basically you just start searching. So basically I use my dad's account for this one. He's on level 1, and yeah, this is what level 1s has. They don't have that 150. Tax is not included. So just to make sure, if you're gonna buy the $5 card, you might as well get the $1 just to make sure, man. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to smash a like button on it. Please subscribe to the channel. This took a while. I have to calculate every single thing. Anyway, see y'all dudes in the next video. Don't forget to dream big and say peace. Peace.
Reality, it is touching the truth.